Anyway, guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Friday, happy 2026. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without wasting your time, let's get to start off today. I've said this before and I'm gonna say it again. Wonder it's one person who's playing a dangerous game in that house. He likes to hide being I have a good heart, I'm a good person, I'm kind, I don't gossip. He is the biggest manipulator, guys. When you ask something King Wonder, he will say he doesn't remember. He's not gonna answer that, guys. He doesn't gossip. So yesterday after the pool party, guys, King Wonder, Liema, Don, Tracy, Bravo B, I think there was Didi, I'm not sure. Yes, with Q, guys, they were having a conversation. King Wonder was saying he doesn't understand what Thandeka and Meili only goes know what is happening. He doesn't understand why they are still there, guys. The same person who say he doesn't gossip. And one thing I've noticed about Q, guys, he has talk King Wonder and he doesn't like that. Even Bravo B, you can see with Bravo B and King Wonder, they don't get along. Bravo B is just pretending because of Tracy, guys. I mean, Tracy, she's in that group, Yaga King Wonder. So Bravo B has no choice but to join that group. But you can see, man, I don't like this man. I can see what he's doing. So he's manipulating all of them, and they don't see that. Whenever he's with Ashe and Don, they'll be gossiping about Liema, saying, oh, Liema, she doesn't deserve to be in top 5. Right now, he's acting as if Yana and Liema, they do have a great relationship. Guys, he doesn't like anyone. Oh, Ashe was celebrating, saying, oh good, the outside world on Sunday on live show, they were screaming for him. And Thandeka, he was like, no, they were not screaming for you, they were screaming for me and Don. So you can see he doesn't like to see people winning, guys. Yesterday he said he thought Q will leave, guys. He's surprised why OQ is still in that house. He's saying that OQ has a bad heart. OQ is not a good person. Looking at him, you're also not a good person. You're always gossiping every day. You always say when you don't gossip. Guys, people, they're gonna find out outside the world and they're going to be surprised. The things that they were doing in the house, he's always undermining Didi, guys, even though he acted as if he loved Didi. One thing about King Wonder, guys, he thinks he's the boss. Very well, King Wonder does not like him and he said that in his face, which I don't like you. So yesterday King Wonder said he felt sorry for Q when he was sitting alone when they were busy discussing about nomination, who they are nominating, the next nomination. And guys, OQ didn't have an alliance, knowing very well you don't like you, guys. OQ didn't even bother himself to go and join about King Wonder, about Ashe and Don and Bravo B. He just sat there alone, guys. So you can see a good OQ knows the game, guys. He's very smart, the same as Bravo B. I've seen that King Wonder and Bravo B, they don't like each other, guys. It's because they're just doing it because of Tracy. So anyway, guys, tell me in the comment section